What's up guys, today's video is on the best plasma cutters reviews. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Hypertherm Plasma Cutter. Our top choice, we've picked our favorite model, the Hypertherm POWERMAX30XP. It's among the top plasma cutters that you can use at home because it's offered at an affordable price and offers plenty of features that a professional would require. It's not capable of engraving, as its counterpart, the PowerMax 45XP is, but it does provide sharp edges to cut surfaces. It is capable of easily cutting as much as 5/8 thick plates and elegantly designed cuts for use in decorative applications. This extremely light welder comes with an extremely sturdy case with a lengthy 15-torch lead, making the plasma cutting experience superior to battling with a shorter lead. The drag cutting system allows for easy tracing while ensuring that there is no double arcing. The air valve inside could leak if frequently used in a factory setting. However, the part is inexpensive and simple to replace and is unlikely to alter the use of your home. Number 2. Hobart Air Force 40i 240 volts. Hobart Air Force 40i Plasma Cutter. The Hobart Air Force 40i Plasma Cutter is a formidable machine that is worth the cost it's priced at. It is capable of cutting the size of 7/8 from a maximum of 40 amps output. Hobart's wind tunnel technology helps keep the internal components from becoming damaged during the cutting process. But it's a larger machine that is designed for larger cuts rather than smaller ones, which makes it less suitable for hobbyists. While it wasn't able to make it onto our top plasma cutters, it's very close. It's easy to get and operate without any instructions, and we love it, and is a close cost to that of the Hypertherm POWERMAX30XP. Number 3. LOTO's LTP5000D Plasma Cutter. We loved the LOTO's LTP5000D machine with 50 amps. It's not of the same level of quality as the of Hobart Air Force 40i or the Hypertherm POWERMAX30XP. However, it's still one of the top 110V 220V plasma cutters available for the price, given the features it has to offer. With a 10 to 50 amp cutting power range and an arc of non-touch that cuts cleanly through painted or rusted metal that is up to 12 thick and larger, if you're willing to accept the slower, more rough cut, it's remarkable. The drag technology is fantastic for tracing lines. A standoff such as this one ensures that the nozzle is clean. It also helps to make starting the cut effortless while maintaining a constant cutting cut that is efficient throughout. We suggest this cutter to anyone needing to cut less than a half plate. For use in the workshop, it's not too heavy in terms of cutting power, as well as the quality of the material to stand up to high use. Number 4. FORNY Easy Weld Plasma Cutter. The FORNY's Easy Weld 250/120p Plasma Cutter is an affordable choice for those who want to cut thin sections that are up to 1/8 thick. There aren't many welders that cost this much that can compete with them in terms of quality. However, it's 20 amps of output, which is not enough for the price range we love. It's slightly larger than Miller's Spectrum 625, but the lead is longer and makes a similar cut through thin pieces. It's not as straightforward to use, but it's less sophisticated. We recommend the plasma cutter with at the very least a 2-year guarantee. We are impressed by the features FORNY offers here, especially the cost. It's perfect for those looking for lightweight plasma cutters for work at home. Number 5. Prem Portable Plasma Cutter. Its Prem CUT50 is a different, low-cost plasma cutter. It creates a good quality cut into thicker plates than FORNY's simple Weld 250/120p. It's able to run as high as 35 amps and separate just over a half. It was a pain that the machine would shut off if you overloaded it. The quality of the equipment isn't as good as FORNY's plasma cutters or other top-rated machines. However, we like its 14-torch lead that it comes with. There's no drag technology. However, the non-touch start is a great alternative to ensure that the nozzle is clean. The standoff is more efficient than the LOTO's 50-amp plasma cutter that we enjoy. Overall, as a budget plasma cutter for the hobbyist, we would highly recommend the standoff. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.